What you might not know is this switch is designed to be a little bit harder to press. Welcome back to Foot Switch Friday, everybody, and today we're talking about the anti-trip model. The anti-trip model is a lineup within the Hercules family that adds extra layers of safety to prevent accidental activations. Here's the difference and why it matters. Over here, we have a anti-trip, and then we have a guarded anti-trip over here. To truly see how this works, we're actually going to take the guard off of this so you can see the anti-trip mechanism itself. So now we've done that, we can actually see what makes the anti-trip so special. This metal plate here, you see that it won't go down anymore, but if I put some pressure on this, you'll hear it activate clearly. How this works basically is the operator will press this in with their foot and then press down at the same time. This is just a pretty simple mechanism. It's a physical mechanism. There's no electronics involved with this. It's just some springs and a kick plate. This just gives that operator just an extra moment to make sure that they're ready to make that decision to activate the switch. While we're actually have this open, let's show a little bit more about what's going on here. Gasket cover, the O-rings on the activation shafts, and then the dedicated ground screw. Moving on to the other style that we have, it basically builds on top of the regular anti-trip and adds a little bit extra right in front. You see in the switch here, you have a metal plate. This basically is designed to be lifted up with the operator's foot. Then the rest of the motion is exactly the same as we saw with the anti-trip. Still the kick plate in the back. There is one more variation that we haven't quite talked about yet, and it is the oversized shield. So both of the anti-trip models are available in a extra large. This gives extra room for bigger safety shoes, steel toe boots, and the like. Just so you can see the side by side here, there is a bit of a difference. This one just gives a little bit more breathing room. The anti-trip internal circuitry varies. It runs through SPDT all the way up to a double brake configuration. It can be single or two stage. Some models even have adjustable activation mechanisms. So like one pole can open and the other can close, whatever it may be. There's a lot of internal flexibility with the circuitry of these. Now, these work in the same applications that we've talked about in the past. Material handling, press brakes, basically anywhere where you need extremely durable switch. These offer extra levels of safety for those applications where somebody's safety might be at risk if a foot switch is accidentally activated. All right, that's it on the anti-trip model. My name is Hayden from Line Master, and we'll see you next Foot Switch Friday. Stay switched.